Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Sunday Cook with me. And we're making our second dessert of March. Now, last week's was a pretty easy dessert to make. And if you thought that one was easy, wait till you see how easy this one is. This is a no-brainer. I'm using my Instant Pot today. If you don't have an Instant Pot, you can make this same dessert in a slow cooker. And I'll explain, there's a couple of differences, but I'll explain what they are. So I'm going to take you down to the counter and we're going to get busy. We can probably get slowly busy because it won't take very long. And we're going to make a dump cake in the Instant Pot. I'll be right back. Okay, I have a pan here, and this is a pan that fits in my Instant Pot. I have a 6-quart Instant Pot, and this is actually like a mini springform pan because I make my cheesecakes in the Instant Pot in this pan. And I like it for 2 reasons. One, I can cook it in the Instant Pot, and they are delicious. And 2, it's not as big a dessert as a great big 9 by 13. And here's my other ingredients. 1 box of cake mix of your choice. Now I'm going to use a spice cake mix today. I thought that sounded really good with apple pie filling. Now isn't that going to make my kitchen smell like fall? We don't need it to smell like fall because it's not even spring yet. And the last ingredient is going to be melted butter, 4 tablespoons of melted butter. So let's just get started and I'll show you just how easy this is. Now I have this sitting on my trivet because I'm going to put the trivet in the pan so that the cake pan is not sitting in the water. So we're going to start by putting the apple pie filling in the pan. And I'm just going to spread it out. Now you can use any flavor pie filling you want, any flavor cake you want. I used cherry last week, so I thought I'd use apple this week. Now on the top of this pie filling, I'm going to put 2 cups of the cake mix. And I'm just going to sprinkle it over the top. And you do have a little bit left over. Now, a difference. Crock pot. You put the apple pie filling in the bottom of your crock pot. Put the whole bag of cake mix in the top of it. I'm going to spread it around. And I'm just going to push it down a little, just so that it's kind of adhered to the pie filling. That's it. Last step. I'm going to spread this butter out over it. And that's 4 tablespoons. Now we're not going to mix it. I'm just spreading it out as best I can. It'll all mix together. You don't have to cover it or anything. Now I'm going to take 1 cup of water for the Instant Pot. Let me just move a few things so that you can see the Instant Pot. Okay, I'm going to lift up my pan using the trivet, put it right down inside the pot. Put the lid on. And I'm going to pressure cook for 25 minutes. And that's all she wrote. I'll be back when it's up. Because when it's up, we're going to do a quick release and our cake should be all done. I'll be back when it's ready. Well, there you go. Now I'm going to try to get it out of there. And I find the easiest way is to use some tongs because you can't reach success. That. Now I'm going to get a little bit on the spoon. It is red hot right at the moment. And I'm just going to wait. Let's see. Oh, that is good. I haven't had spice cake in a long time. I'd go back and cook this a little longer because for some reason my Instant Pot was on low pressure, not high pressure. But it's perfectly edible. There's no eggs or anything in it. And it came out delicious. And I'm just mixing it up a little bit with a different spoon. Now I get some more on my spoon. Delicious. Delicious. Give it a try. I think you'll really enjoy it. So use any kind of cake mix, any kind of pie filling, and the butter. If you're using the crock pot, you're going to use the whole package of cake mix, and you're going to use 6 tablespoons of butter. In the crock pot, in the Instant Pot, I used 4 tablespoons of butter. So that's it. How easy was that? That didn't take 10 minutes to put together. Cook it for a little over 25 minutes, release, and top it with some of that ice cream we made last week. It's going to be good. Okay, we're going to have that for dessert tonight. So I will see you again on the next craft day. Until then, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. Tell me your favorite cake pie combination. And we'll get busy doing something yummy again next week. So until then, have a great day. And everybody play by the rules. And everybody play nice now. Love ya. Bye-bye.